in Kentucky, SVR in Kentucky.
County in northeastern Kentucky, southeastern Greenock County in northeastern Kentucky, northwestern Lawrence County in northeastern Kentucky, eastern Carter County in northeastern Kentucky, southwestern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Wayne County in western West Virginia, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Over to BXM7.
At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grayson, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm was located near Grayson, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
I only counted on one. I'll count WKEE.
Pittsburgh, Cerrito, Whiteville, Princess, Colton, Denton, Bernal, Greenville Lake, Old Town, and Naples. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 163 and 191. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 4.
And that's that. I'm going to keep on working on this thing I'm working on.